Hello students, today we are going to study the structure, types and functions of RNA. It is having similar structure to DNA with several key differences. It is a single-stranded nucleotide made up of repeating strands of nucleotides contain all three parts of similar to DNA: sugar, phosphate and nitrogen base. Sugar, it is a ribose. The sugar in the RNA is called as ribose, contains the nitrogen base uracil instead of thymine. Uracil will bind to the adenine. RNA is a single strand. RNA structure and its type. It is consisting of nucleotides and nitrogen bases. Nitrogen bases are adenine, guanine and uracil. Adenine, it is in DNA we studied about AT and GC. Adenine, which is linked with thymine, and guanine, which is linked with cytosine. In this, only difference is that instead of thymine, this uracil is present as a nitrogen basis, and it is a single-stranded nucleotide. It is having a same backbone as a sugar phosphate backbone, which is linked by all the nitrogen bases by hydrogen bonding. It is same when it is given a structure which is not a straight structure. That's why when it is going to a helical structure, then it forms the hydrogen bonding to these base pairs. These RNA, which is having three types: messenger RNA, ribosomal RNA and transfer RNA, which is called as messenger RNA, it is called as mRNA, ribosomal RNA, it is called as rRNA, and transfer RNA, it is called as tRNA. Three types of RNA are messenger RNA, mRNA, carries the code from the DNA to ribosomes for the protein synthesis. Ribosomal RNA, rRNA, assembles amino acid brought to tRNA in a specific order from mRNA to make the proteins made up of RNA by the nucleus. And third one is transfer RNA, that transport the specific amino acid to ribosomes for the protein synthesis. Thank you.